Yes, this is Caffey's trains. As you can see, I'm still under construction. I've in the process of building a mountain and going to cut through it. I put an extra track where I can park a long train, and as you can see, it's gonna come through this side and it's gonna cut through the mountain when I finish building it up. And then I'm gonna straighten out all the mess that I did by turning trains over, knocking over houses, and gonna rewire the whole system underneath. As you can see, it doesn't look neat until I redo the wiring and paint the frame of the layout and finish adding my lights. And this section of the layout should be finished until I can put my turntable in and build the second addition to add on to this layout. Until then, I'll be posting more up-to-date material on what I'm doing. Thank you for viewing my layout, and please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.